In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eBay transaction reports to CSV. If you manage sales on eBay, having a clean CSV export of your transactions makes bookkeeping, reconciliations, and sharing data with your accountant much easier. We'll walk through the exact clicks to get that file, and I'll point out a few tips so you know what to expect. I'm demonstrating on the desktop version of eBay signed into the seller account that receives payouts. Start on the eBay homepage and look toward the top navigation for the option labeled Sell. Click that to open your seller hub. This takes you to the place where eBay centralizes your listings, orders, payments, and reports. If your layout looks a bit different, that's normal. eBay's interface can vary by region and account type, but the Sell link is the quickest doorway into the tools you need. Once the Seller Hub loads, move your mouse to the Payments area in the top navigation and hover over it. Don't click yet, just rest your cursor there. A small menu will appear that groups all payment-related tools in one place. Hovering is what reveals the shortcuts you need without leaving the page. From that Payments menu, click Reports. This opens the Reports landing page where eBay provides export options for your financial data. Think of this as your control center for generating summaries you can save and analyze. On the Reports page, look for the option labeled Download CSV and click it. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple spreadsheet format you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or import into most accounting platforms. After you click, your browser may prompt you to confirm the download, or it may save automatically to your default downloads folder. If nothing appears, check your browser's download bar or ensure that pop-up or download blockers are disabled for this site. When prompted for what to include, choose All. Selecting All ensures the export contains every relevant transaction type in a single file: orders, fees, adjustments, refunds, and payouts. So you get the complete picture without needing multiple reports. If your account has a lot of activity, generation can take a moment. Just let it finish and then save the file somewhere you can find easily. That's the full path. Click Sell, hover over Payments, choose Reports, click Download CSV and select All. Keep the file secure since it may include sensitive financial details, and consider renaming it with a clear date so you can track versions over time. Once it's saved, you can open the CSV in your preferred spreadsheet app to review totals, filter by transaction type, or share it with your finance tools. You're all set to keep your eBay finances organized with a reliable export whenever you need it.